Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best Cuisinart coffee makers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Cuisinart coffee makers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Cuisinart coffee makers so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a Cuisinart coffee maker. First, think about the type you prefer, such as single serve, drip, or grind and brew models based on your daily coffee habits. Next, consider the size and capacity of the machine to match your kitchen space and the number of cups you usually brew. Pay attention to features like programmable settings, auto shutoff, brew strength options, and temperature control for convenience and customization. Check the quality of materials, ease of cleaning, and availability of replacement parts to ensure long-term use. Finally, compare prices and reviews to find the best value within your budget. Choosing wisely ensures you enjoy great coffee every day without hassle. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful reviews and buying tips.